If you're facing a credit limit review on Kabbage, it can be concerning, but there are steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to address the situation effectively. Step 1. Review your account status. Check your Kabbage account for any notifications or messages regarding the credit limit review. Understanding the reason behind the review can help you take appropriate action. Step 2. Gather financial documents. Collect any necessary financial documents that may be required to support your case. This could include bank statements, tax returns, or business financials that demonstrate your income and expenses. Step 3. Contact Kabbage support. Reach out to Kabbage customer support team via their website or phone. Explain your situation and ask for clarification on the review process and what specific information they need from you. Step 4. Submit required information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your documents, follow up with Kabbage to confirm they received everything and to inquire about the timeline for the review. Staying proactive can help expedite the process. By following these steps, you can effectively address the credit limit review issue on Kabbage and work towards a resolution. Good luck!